Good day, everyone. My name is King Peter P. Palustre, and today I will share my learnings, my opinions, and my perspective about the chapter 3 of the Strategic Management book. So, let's get started. So, chapter 3 explains that every successful organization needs a clear identity to guide uh, the people. So, a vision is like a North Star, for example, po. It is a dream for the future that stays the same even the world changes. Meanwhile, a mission is about the now that explains what the organization does every day and who it helps. So, and finally, the core values are the basic rules of behavior. Uh, they are the soul of the company and help everyone make the right choices. For this to work, uh, this cannot just be words of wall, just words in a wall. They have to be a part of the culture, the meaning they show up in how people talk, work, treat each other on everyday basis. During my OGT at the Land Bank of the Philippines, Santa Cruz branch, these ideas in action. Land Bank's vision is to be the financial institution that helps the countryside grow, while its mission focuses on providing high-quality service to farmers, fishers, and small business to promote inclusive growth. My daily tasks such as the sorting of transaction slip and organizing documents were part of fulfilling this mission. Being careful with every piece of paper, I was helping the bank maintain uh, the the order and accuracy needed to serve the community effectively. So the core values, of course, of the land bank is integrity, excellence, and social responsibility. Were also very clear during my internship. It is clearly shown that integrity was shown in how the staff handled money and private information with total honesty, and excellence was seen in the way my mentors, my supervisor performed their duties quickly and accurately. And lastly, social responsibility was evident in the bank dedication to helping local people in the province. So my experience showed me that a strong vision and mission only work when the people in the office actually live by the core values every single day.